Hi there, gorgeous, and a very happy Frugal Friday to you. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I make videos like this every Friday, focusing on drugstore makeup. I also make videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, so if you'd like to be notified of new content like this in the future, please subscribe, and thank you if you do. Today I'm reviewing a new product that has been released by Kiss. This is called Falscara. They're calling this the new way to lash. And on the back of the package, it says you want to use this when mascara just isn't enough, when you love the look of lash extensions, but when you don't want to deal with strip lashes. And this is supposedly a natural way to wear false eyelashes. It looks rather intriguing. They promise there will not be any smudges, damage to your lashes, and it's supposed to be a rather easy system to use. So I will show you everything from start to finish. By the way, this kit retails for approximately $20, and I found it in my local Walmart. I want to say it's something like $18.74 or something like that. But anyway, I'll show you everything from start to finish. There's also a remover that I purchased separately that I will be showing you at the end of the video, and we'll find out if this is a kit worth trying or if it's just another gimmick that ain't so great. I have read the instructions twice on these lashes because I want to make sure I get it right. And I don't see anything in here that mentions applying mascara beforehand, but I feel like that would make this look the best way possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is curl my lashes and then apply a mascara, because this is really no different than applying your regular false strip lashes. And I always apply mascara before I apply those, so makes sense. And I'm using the Ulta Beauty Twisted Volume Mascara for this application I'm showing you here. If you've never seen this kit, I'll show you what it looks like up close. So you get lashes and then this bonding agent and a pair of tweezers to help you apply the little lashes with. And they also sell a remover with this stuff separately. So you do have to buy that separate. So let's see. I am a little disappointed. First off, I will tell you, for how much I spent for this little kit, I was expecting there to be more lashes than just those in here. I mean, I would have liked to have seen a couple rows of them like you get when you buy the individual lashes. So we'll go through this step by step together. Yeah. First thing they want you to do is apply a light coat of bond on your natural lashes, which is what this stuff is. It looks like a traditional mascara. So on one side you have the bond, and then on the other side here you have the sealer, which you use after you apply the little eyelashes. The bond, it says, is infused with biotin and it is non-damaging. It primes the natural lashes to prep them for applying the wisps, and you don't need much according to the directions. So go ahead and apply this on the lashes. I don't really feel like it's doing much, but I'm not going to apply too much because they say not to. All right, and then they tell you to take the little applicator with the lash, and what I'm going to do is pull one off like this, and then they want you to apply it underneath your lashes, not on the waterline, but more or less just underneath your natural lashes. And I'm not really sure how this is going to work here. Okay. Well, they also say you can press the lash into your own natural lashes using either the applicator or your fingers, and so I'm going to do that here. It appears like it's stuck fairly well. I have the one applied there, so I'll go ahead and apply another one. Okay, it is going on rather easily. Easier than I thought that it would. I'm just afraid of getting this on my eyeball. So yeah, the way that I'm attaching these is I am literally just attaching it to the lashes underneath like that, and I'm making sure not to get it on the waterline so much. And I'm working my way from the outer corner inwards. And I'm thinking it might help if I lift my lash a little bit here. Well, last one. Now here's the problem I'm seeing with the way that these are set up. Because I don't have any lashes myself right in here. I mean, I do, but they're very, very sparse. I'm not sure how these lashes are going to attach. But we'll try it. We'll see. All right, here we go. Oh, no. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more bond to the lashes on the inner corner there. See if that helps. Ah! I messed up my eyeshadow already with this stuff. Ugh. So therein lies the problem. How do you attach the inner corner when there are no lashes to attach it to? Well, that's what we have so far. And it says you can use the seal to lock the wisps in place for all day wear. It's comfortable, I will say that, because I didn't get it on the lash line at all. I can't feel them, and I do feel like they look rather natural. We'll go ahead and apply the seal. And I'm going to just brush it like that, I suppose. Is that what it says? Yeah, dab a thin coat under the wisps. So I'm going to do that. I don't really see anything happening. Now that they've dried a little bit more, I am going to go in and curl the lashes to help mold them into my own natural lashes. And there you can see the results from this eye to this eye. It's not uncomfortable. It was easier to apply than I thought that it would be. And I do feel like with the way that you applied them, it does give you rather natural looking results. And I know you can do the same thing with strip lashes. It wasn't my cup of tea the one time I tried it, but this was quite manageable. And I feel like if you did this with strip lashes too and you cut them into small pieces like these were, it would probably be a little bit easier. Okay, well, I'm much more impressed than I thought that I would be. I'll go ahead and do this eye also. And I'm really going to focus this on the inner corner too. That's the one thing I didn't do on the other eye initially. Second time around, I might be a pro at this, huh? I'm a little afraid to lift my lashes up only because I don't want that bond to transfer to my lid like it did over here. Otherwise, what I would do is just lift my lash line up. Well, this is much easier the second time. I feel like the first time I was trying to understand it a little bit, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty quick and easy. I will say though, if you don't have a lot of lashes on the inner corner, like I don't, you may have some trouble getting that one piece to stick there. I mean, it sticks, but I almost have to apply it to the one sitting beside it on the edge so that it stays there a little bit better. It looks really good. I'm pretty happy with these. Okay, we'll see how they hold up throughout the day. So I've had these lashes on for a total of, I want to say, nearly 12 hours at this point, and I have not blotted my face yet because I wanted you to see verifiably that this is the end of the day. This is what I usually look like at the end of the day. So I'll go ahead and blot my face simply because it's driving me crazy and you shouldn't have to be blinded by my shininess here. Ugh. Yuck. These are old Wet n Wild blotting papers, by the way, and they work really great. So now we can really focus on the lashes and not the face so much. But my gosh, these held on the whole day. I didn't notice I was wearing them at all. They feel very comfortable, like there's nothing there. They're extremely lightweight and they didn't move. I'm really, really happy with these. They're so good to the point where I almost don't want to take them off. I mean, you should. You absolutely should take your lashes off every single night. So please remember that if you do try these, you don't want to keep these on. You definitely don't want to sleep in them. So I'll go ahead and try the remover here, even though I really don't want to. So the remover is something you have to buy separate from the kit. It doesn't come with it, and it looks like that. It's infused with soothing rose water, and it's supposed to make removing the lashes extremely easy. So let's see what it says. Shake well before use, so did that, and then saturate a cotton pad with the remover and place over your eyes, hold for 10 seconds, and then gently wipe away wisps and bond and seal. Repeat as needed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on a cotton pad. Doing like this, holding it there for 10 seconds. We'll see. That's about 10 seconds. Okay. Holy moly. Wow. It just fell right off. That was pretty awesome. I didn't struggle at all to get those off. And here I was so afraid of this system when I first looked at it. Boy, that just releases those beautifully. My goodness, that is fabulous. It's one problem. Don't wear black when you're wearing these because you drop them and you can't find them. Well, I am really, really impressed by this system, much more than I thought that I would be. And I feel like if you're looking for a natural way to extend your lashes and you don't want to go with full strip lashes, this is a really good kit to try. Highly recommend it to you. I am very interested to see if they sell more of the wisps in sets separate from the starter kit itself. I'm sure that they do. They would have to. So that's something I'm going to investigate a little bit further. Let me know your thoughts on this, if this is a product that you're interested in trying, or if you have tried it out, what your experience has been with it. Again, highly recommend. And I do feel like it has a little bit of a learning curve associated with it. And I did a little bit of a better job on the second eye as opposed to the first, but it's not hard to get the hang of it. So I think you'd really love it. Thank you so much for being here, for taking the time to watch, and I want to wish you a beautiful weekend ahead. Another weight loss vlog will be live tomorrow, so I look forward to seeing you then.